Hi, it's Eva here at Stafford Land Rover. Today I look forward to taking you around the approved used Land Rover Discovery Sport D200 R-Dynamic HSE. This vehicle features a 2-litre diesel engine which is seamlessly mated to an automatic gearbox and is seen here today in Santorini black. Let's start our journey from the front of the Discovery, where we'll find the LED headlights with our signature daytime running lights. Cascading down the sides, stylish and sporty dynamics are continued, where we'll see the black roof rails as it sits on these 20-inch gloss black alloys. Opening the power tailgate reveals a versatile amount of boot space, as well as 2 extra seats, all courtesy of the third row pack. Passengers within the rear also will have their own cooling vents, as well as further USB ports for compatible devices. Rear passengers will certainly be impressed with the comfort and quality of their ebony Windsor leather seats with their Mars red stitch. And glimpsing into the cockpit reveals your 14-way heated electric seats with driver memory. And taking a closer look at your leather heated multifunctional steering wheel, which offers a sleek design with a wide array of functions at your disposal. In front of you, you'll see your fully digital display, which can harbour key information such as your speed and sat nav. Moving over to the Pivi Pro touchscreen, which as you can see is fully interactive, features Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and provides great detail about your vehicle and its surroundings, such as your front and rear parking sensors as well as your rear reversing camera, where in your entertainment screen you'll also be able to access your electrically deployable tow bar. Looking down, you'll be able to access your climate control system, which both driver and passenger can tailor to their own individual preferences, as well as heated seat settings, as well as further vehicle dynamics and terrain response systems. Looking up, you'll see your fixed panoramic sunroof, which will engross the vehicle in natural light. This has been a presentation of the approved used Land Rover Discovery, which is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information, don't hesitate to contact our sales team today. Thanks for watching.